Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Peter, get out from somebody's keke.
Hello, I'm in Nigeria. Well, we are buying bread and minerals and chin-chin. Bye. This is your then we're buying. And this, Mama, can I please buy alcohol?
What are you going to buy? Sugar. Go on then.
A packet of sugar.
A packet. What are you doing with sugar? Yeah. Yes. Okay. I'm in. You have packets of sugar. See, do that now.